Have you ever been to a farm? Although most farms specialize in raising just one kind of animal, you can find all kinds of animals on farms, from cows, pigs, and goats, and chickens too. Chickens are really cool. You are going to have so much fun hatching chicks in your classroom. The eggs you will hatch are fertilized chicken eggs. The eggs you buy in the grocery store are not fertilized and can never hatch, so don't even try. Are you ready to get started? The most important tool in hatching an egg is an incubator. The incubator keeps the eggs toasty warm so that the chicks can grow inside and become chickens. Your job is to make sure that the incubator is placed in the best spot in the classroom and is set up correctly. It's pretty easy, and with the help of your teacher, I know you can do it. First, let's make sure we have all the parts. There's the top and bottom of the incubator. They're made of styrofoam. Some incubators will come with an egg turner. If yours doesn't, don't worry. Your teacher will turn the eggs by hand. A plastic tray or a wire rack. Some incubators have the rack built in. A really accurate thermometer. The feeder, top and bottom. A heat lamp and bulb. A handheld candler. Your chick hatching guidebook, reference sheet, and posters. Feed for the chicks. Shavings to keep them warm. And of course, a dozen eggs for hatching. You're probably thinking, that's a lot of parts. Well, don't worry. We're here to help, and so is your teacher. Once you've unpacked the incubator from the box, you'll notice that there are three main parts: the top and the bottom, as well as a plastic tray and wire mesh rack. You will get one of two types of incubators. One has a digital thermometer, where you just press a button to change the temperature. The other type has a thermometer you change by turning a screw. The plastic tray and wire mesh need to be placed on the bottom of the incubator. Next, you need to add some warm water to the shorter water trough in the tray. This trough will probably need refilling every few days, so you'll need to keep an eye on it. Make sure you don't overfill it, because your eggs may get too soft. If your incubator is too humid, you might see droplets of water form on the cover. You should only fill one of the water reservoirs for the first 18 days. Eggs need warm, humid air in order to hatch, so the warm water is really important. Now, you can place the thermometer on the screen and close the lid. Once the incubator's been set up properly, you need to find the best place to put it in your classroom. It's really important that your incubator is placed somewhere with a constant temperature. That means don't put it somewhere where the sun can shine directly on it. That could make it too hot at certain times of the day. And definitely don't put it near a window. That would cause it to get too cold. It's also super important that the incubator isn't placed somewhere where it could get bumped. Set it on a sturdy table away from any classroom activities. And once it's in the best spot, your teacher can plug it in. The light will tell you when it's on. Once the incubator is plugged in, be careful of the heating element inside. It can get very hot. Now, we wait. The best temperature for hatching eggs is 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit or 37.5 degrees Celsius. Your incubator shouldn't be more or less than 1 degree from that temperature. It may take a day for the incubator to reach the right temperature, and you may need to adjust the thermostat until it's exact. If you have a digital thermometer, just push the button. If yours isn't digital, just turn the screw to the right to make it warmer and to the left to cool it down. Only move the screw a very small amount. You want to be careful not to overheat the incubator. It can't be above 100 degrees. Once the temperature's set, it's time to add the eggs. We'll go through that process in the next video.